Welcome dear students. Let's understand about female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries along with a pair of oviduct, uterus, vagina and the external genital located in pelvic region. These parts of the system along with a pair of mammary glands that are integrated structurally and functionally to support the process of ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, birth and child care. Ovaries are primary female sex organs that produce the female gamete called ovum and sexual steroid hormones called ovarian hormones. Ovaries are located one on each side of the lower abdomen. Each ovary is about 2 to 4 cm in length and is connected to the pelvic wall and uterus by ligaments. Each ovary is covered by a thin epithelium which encloses the ovarian stroma. The stroma is divided into two zones, a pelvic cortex and medulla. Stroma of ovary has two parts, one is medulla and other one or outer one is cortex. Ovary is covered by germinal epithelium, but germinal epithelium is not responsible for production of germ cells. Maximum follicles get degenerate, not every follicle get mature. Oviducts, uterus and vagina constitutes the female accessory ducts. Each fallopian tube is 10 to 12 cm long and extends from the periphery of each ovary to the uterus. The part closer to the ovary is the funnel-shaped infundibulum. The edges of the infundibulum possess finger-like projections called fimbriae, which helps in collection of ovum after ovulation. The infundibulum leads to a wider region ampulla, the last part of the oviduct. Isthmus has a narrow lumen and joins the uterus. Uterus is single and it is also called womb. The shape of the uterus is like an inverted pear. It is supported by ligaments attached to the pelvic wall. The uterus opens into vagina through a narrow cervix. The cavity of cervix is called cervical canal, which along with the vagina forms the birth canal. Wall of the uterus has three layers of tissues. One is perimetrium, 2 myometrium, 3 endometrium. Endometrium undergoes cyclic changes during menstrual cycle, while myometrium exhibits strong constriction during delivery of the baby. Cervical canal is filled with mucus. Mucus only become thin only female is fertile to allow movement of sperm. Cervical canal is filled with mucus. Mucus only become thin only female is fertile to allow movement of sperm. Endometrium is glandular layer. Female external genitalia is the part of reproductive system which appear from outside. Female external genitalia include mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora, hymen and clitoris. Mons pubis is fusion of fatty tissue covered by skin and pubic hair. The labia majora are fleshy folds of tissue which extends down from the mons pubis and surround the vaginal opening. Female vagina, called external vaginal structure, has two lips like structure labia majora and minora. Labia minora around that mons pubis is present inside the labia minora. We have testibule. Within the testibule we have opening of vagina. That opening of vagina is covered by hymen membrane. In females we have separate opening for passing urine and for sexual intercourse. In female we have erectile tissue which is called Clitoris. It has three bundles of erectile tissue. Bartholin gland present around the hymen membrane provides lubrication.